Hello students, welcome back to the another session of Satyanarayana Study Circle. Today we are going to learn about lens formula. Most important students. Yes students, this is diagram. Diagram most important. This is principal axis. Here P pole optic center. Here F1 F2 students focus. Here O dash objective. Here I dash image. Students, here two rays. See, this is first ray. This is first ray. Here second ray. Two instant rays. Students, see the diagram. Right, students, the ray starting at O dash. At O dash and moving parallel to the principal axis. You see, parallel to the principal axis, which falls on the lens. This is lens, students. You know, students, this is lens. Right? Next, should pass through the focal point F1. F1 as here figure see the reflected ray. This is incident ray. This is reflected ray, student. Right? Through F1. F1 focus. Right? To located at the point of image I dash. Yes, see I dash for the object point to O dash. Let's see, students. Okay. Next, consider another ray that passing through. Another ray means here second ray, students. Second ray passing through the optic center. Yes, see, students. P optic center P. We know that any ray passing through the optic center P will not here divided. Okay, na? Students, right. Next, students, the ray starting from O dash and passing through optic center, two rays, students, will meet the refracted ray at the point to I dash. Yes, students, I dash. This point is the image of the point to O dash of the object. Students, clear? Right. Similarly, the image of the point to O on the principal axis. Here see, on the principal axis formed at point to I. Students, here see OI. Here formed at point I on the principal axis. We get the we get the inverted image. This is most important, students. We get the inverted image I dash of object O dash. Students, object O dash, image I dash. Clear, students? Yes, students. According to diagram, PO. Yes, PO, comma PI. PO, comma PI. PI year to year, student. Comma PF dash. Are the object distance. Here see PO object distance. Most important, PO object distance. Next, PI image distance. Don't forget, students. Next to PF1 focal length, year to year focal length. Clear, students? Here, okay. PO object distance, PI image distance, PF1 focal length respectively. Right. Next, students, see triangle PP dash. Here see P dash F1 here. P dash F1 on triangle. Okay. And next another P dash. Here see P1 I dash. Another triangle here. Similarly. Triangle P dash F1, similarly triangle F1 I dash. You see, students, according to diagram, P dash by I dash. Okay. Next to PF1 by F1I. This is equation 1, students. Next to from figure here F1I is equal to, here see PF minus PF1. Students, this is most important. Substituting, students. Here see P dash by I dash is equal to Pf1 by F1 I don't write, value write down. F1 I Fi minus Pf1. This is equation 2, students. Next, another triangle. See, triangle O dash P. See, O dash P. One triangle. Next to triangle Pi dash. Pi dash. Yes, Pi dash. Another triangle. Similarly, right? Here see, students. O dash by I dash is equal to PO by Pi. Students, this is according to diagram. From the figure, here see, students. O dash. Here see, students. O dash is equal to here PP dash. Okay. Right. Yes, substituting, students. Yes, substituting. O dash don't write. P dash by I dash is equal to PO by PI. This is equation 3, students. Equation 2, equation 3 most important, students. Here equation 2, equation 3, students. Here from 2 and 3. Equation 2 and 3. Here see I am write down Pf1 by Pi minus Pf1 is equal to PO by Pi. Students, clear? Right. Next. Here see, students. Pi, right, reverse. Denominator, numerator. Reverse. Pi by PO is equal to, let's see, Pi minus P1 by Pf1 is equal to, here students, here denominator see Pf1, here write down Pi by Pf1 minus Pf1 by Pf1. This is cancel, students, right? Here see, students. Next one, Pi is equal to Pf1 is equal minus 1, students, clear? Right? Here, you see, Pi by Po is equal to Pi by Pf1 minus 1. This is important equation. Next, on dividing your equation by Pi, we get to here, see, students, Pi by Po into Pi is equal to Pi by Pf1 into Pi minus 1 by Pi. Okay, students, here see, cancel, Pi cancel, here cancel. And therefore, students, 1 by Po is equal to 1 by Pf1 minus here 1 by Pi. Okay, students? Right, next two. Here see, students, right, reverse here. 1 by Po, here minus or plus change. Plus 1 by Pi is equal to 1 by Pf1. This is equation 4, students. Right, here see, students, this is convex, yes, here, this is convex lens, you know, students. Convex lens symbol, convex lens symbol, right? To generalization, we have to use sign conversion, sign conversion. You know, students, sign conversion. PO is equal to minus U. PO is equal to minus U. According to sign conversion. Here to here, PI is equal to here. Okay? Image distance. Next, PF is equal. Here, PF is equal to small f. Okay, na? Right. Here value substitute. Here value substitute, 1 by PO don't write. Minus U write out. Plus 1 by PI don't write. V write out. You see, diagram is equal to 1 by PF don't write. PF is equal to F, student. You know. Therefore, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. This is lens formula, students. Lens formula. This is 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Lens formula. Lens formula. Most important, students. Okay, students. Thank you for watching. This is Satyanarayana signing off.